Congratulations on your purchase of the PowerXL Microwave Air Fryer. You are now going to experience the space-saving convenience of being able to microwave, air fry, and bake with the same unit. Let's first check what's in your box and make sure you have all the parts and accessories. Most models of our PowerXL Microwave Air Fryer contain the main unit and the turntable assembly, which contains the turntable ring, the glass tray, and the turntable shaft. You will also find the air fry rack, the baking pan, and the PowerXL Microwave Air Fryer Owner's Manual and Quick Start Guide. Please make sure you have all of these parts and accessories. Now check and make sure you have removed all packing materials, tape, and stickers from the parts. Let's assemble your unit. It's so easy. Place the turntable ring in the groove on the bottom of the inside of the appliance, and then set the glass tray on top of the turntable ring. Make sure that the glass tray is right side up. Be sure the notches in the center of the tray fall snugly into the slots in the turntable shaft. It's a good idea to hand wash the glass tray, air fry rack, and baking pan with warm soapy water before you use your PowerXL Microwave Air Fryer. Wipe down the inside and outside of the base unit with a clean, moist cloth. Plug the power plug into an electrical outlet. It is best to use a dedicated outlet and to make sure your PowerXL Microwave Air Fryer is on a level surface. Before cooking any food, preheat the appliance for a couple of minutes in air fry or bake mode. This allows the manufacturer's protective coating to burn off. Now your PowerXL Microwave Air Fryer is ready to go. We'll review how easy it is to operate it in the next video. For more information, helpful videos, tips, tricks, and delicious recipes, please go to www.powerxlmicrowaveairfryer.com.
PowerXL. Life keeps you busy. We help you excel.